Hello, class 4. Happy day because it is Sunday, so that I can burden you with lessons. Today, your Buddhist religion and moral education, and we are doing revision. Chapter 4 Revision Broad Question. Today, we shall only revise two questions, that is, 1. Discuss the importance of performing Shila. Number 2. Write the prayer of Ashtashila in Pali and English. Number 1. Discuss the importance of performing Shila. The importance of performing Shila is very much. Man do deeds good or bad. If one does bad work, he has to suffer ill result. And if one does good work, he gets good result. A good character man's mind always runs through good way. Everyone praises one whose character is good. Those who do not follow the rules of Shilas, they do not hesitate to severe, severe kind. I copied it from your book. It is severe, severe than crime. Separate word. Severe crime. Ill-charactered man's mind is restless. By performing Shilas, one gets happiness. The person who follows the Shilas, his body, speech and mind be self-restrained. Do you know what self-restraint mean? মানে হচ্ছে যে নিজেকে কন্ট্রোল করতে পারে। If you perform Shila, তোমার শরীর, your body, speech, কথা এবং মন, mind সবগুলো কি নিজেকে নিজে কন্ট্রোল করতে পারে। উল্টাপাল্টা কথা বলবা না বা উল্টাপাল্টা আচরণও করবা না, এবং তোমার মনও অদ্ভুত অদ্ভুত চিন্তা করবে না। His good fame spreads all around. After death, he is blessed. Nirvana can easily be achieved by him. So it is very important for everyone to perform the Shila in human life. Write the prayer of Ashtashila in Pali and English. Pali. Okasa aham bhante tisarananena shaha athanga samannagatam uposatha silam dhammam yasami anughang katta silam Dethami bhante. Dutiyampi aham bhante tisaranenasha athanga samannagatam. Upasatha silam dhammam yasami anuggaham katta silam detha bhante. Tatiyampi aham bhante tisarananena saha athanga samanna gatam upasatha silam dhammam yasami anuggaham katta silam detha mi bhante. English. Venerable, O monk, pay attention please. I do pray for Upasatha Shilam of eightfold virtues with refuge to the triple gem. Please offer me the precept. The second time, Venerable of monk, pay attention please. I do pray for Upasatha Shilam of eightfold virtues with refuge to the triple gem. Please offer me the precept. A third time, Venerable of monk, pay attention please. I do pray for Upasatha Shilam of eightfold virtues with refuge to the triple gem. Please offer me the precepts. Okay, your HW is Revive 1 and 2 broad question, chapter 4. Tomorrow we will revise the next question. Please study hard, because if you don't revise it, you will forget in it, and when exam comes, you have to, believe me, you have to again learn it from the beginning. So every day give revision. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Wash your hands after 30 minutes, every 30 minutes, and I shall show you a video tomorrow how to wash your hands. Bye then. Goodbye.